Hello, my name is Paloma Vinaches Melguizo. I'm at Campinas, Brazil, presenting my final project for the CS50x course. It's a web app named XRD Corner, which can be very useful for students and researchers related to X-ray diffraction. To code it, I use Python, Flask, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL. Well, now let's see a little bit about the code. Here are in the VS Code, we see the README, the main app. There are some functions here. Here is the database, and there are the several HTML related to the different parts that we are going to see, the CSS, and some figures. So now let's see a little bit of the web page. Here is the index. There is some video from YouTube here. Working, explaining a little bit some of the concepts used in this web page. There are also some links like this one, or maybe this one, for some more info, some other web pages. Then we can see that there are three different options over here, and plus the register and login. If we, for example, go to the spacing, we can do some calculate like this, and well, it gives you a result. In crystal size is the same. This one I'm going to explain later. But what's the main difference between registering or not registering, logging in or not logging in? For example, I'm going to put an alias here to register, and then logging in. And there we see that there is a new option called history. What is this? The calculate that we are going to can do in the spacing or crystal size will appear here once there is something to appear. So in the spacing we can do like this, for example, and in crystal size we can do like that, and in history we can see exactly what we enter and the result. So afterwards it's possible to copy or wherever. This option, the XRD plotter, accepts that or txt file where with two columns of numbers that are to theta and intensity, and then if we submit, we are going to receive this data plotted. So, well, finally we have the logout button.